In this quick tutorial, I want to show you how to add Google Analytics to Elementor without the need for an external plugin or anything like that. Let's get started. Adding Google Analytics to your Elementor website is actually quite simple. And the good thing about this process is that it's going to make loading very minimal impact. You don't need an additional plugin or anything like that. So we're going to head to your WordPress dashboard. We're going to scroll down to where it says Elementor, and we're going to choose custom code. And then in here, we're going to create a new custom code. We're going to call this Google Analytics 4. And then in the location, you're going to keep the option for head, because the Google Analytics code requires you to add that to the head of your website. We're going to go back to Analytics. We're going to choose, make sure you choose the account. And then onto the property, it's sometimes a little bit difficult to find. You always think it's in the setup assistant, but it's not. You're going to go to data streams. You're going to choose your data stream. And then at the very top, you're going to see the view tag instructions. So you're going to want to click on that. You're going to click install manually. And then you're going to copy this code. Right? So the code is copied. We're going to go ahead and paste it on the code area of the backend, and we're going to hit publish. Now we want to make sure that we include the Google Analytics code on the whole website, so we're going to make sure that it chooses the entire site. If for whatever reason you want it to exclude a page, you just click on add condition, and then you would choose exclude, and then you would go through the drop-down process to exclude that page. This is something important if there's some privacy concerns on a specific page and things of that nature. That's where you would do that. Hit save and close. All right, we're going to go back to our custom code section, make sure that is on there, and as you can see, this is ready to rock and roll. If you want to make sure that the tag is working once you install it, hit reload. Make sure the page is loaded. Go back to Analytics, go to Reports, and then click on Real Time. And then here you see that the users are starting to populate on the page. And that's it. That's how simple it is to add Google Analytics to Elementor without the need for a plugin to make sure your site runs fast. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you soon.